When your computer is running low on storage, there are several effective ways to free up space and improve performance. In this video, we'll guide you through the most reliable methods to clean up your system. First, empty your temporary files by clicking on the Windows Start button. Select Settings, then System, and go to Storage. From there, choose Temporary Files, select the junk files you want to delete, and click Remove Files. Confirm the action by clicking Continue, and the files will be permanently deleted. Next, let's clear the Microsoft Store cache. Click on the Windows Start button and type wsreset.exe into the search bar. Click on Run as Administrator under the result. A command prompt will open, and once the Windows Store launches, you'll see a confirmation message that the cache has been cleared. To troubleshoot Windows Update issues, click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. Select System, then Troubleshoot, and choose Other Troubleshooters. Click Run next to Windows Update and follow the on-screen instructions. You can also free up space using Storage Sense. Open Settings and select System. Choose Storage. Under the Storage Management section, turn on the Storage Sense toggle. This feature automatically clears temporary files and can activate itself during system tasks. Click on Storage Sense. In the Cleanup of Temporary Files section, check the box next to Keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up temporary system and app files. Also toggle on the switch next to Automatic User Content Cleanup. Under the Configure Cleanup Schedules section, use the Run Storage Sense drop-down menu to select the best cleanup option for you. Finally, you can clean up space with Disk Cleanup. Back in the Storage section in Settings, select Cleanup Recommendations. Under Temporary Files, select the files you want to delete and click Cleanup. Click Continue. Review each of the categories, including temporary files, large or unused files, files synced to the cloud, and unused apps. Select the items you would like to remove. Windows will suggest files for you to delete and show the amount of space you'll save when you remove them. Note that if you delete synced files, they will still be available on OneDrive. If you still have questions about freeing up drive space in Windows 11, contact us via social media so we can assist you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more Dell support content.